Hello everybody, welcome to the market views update for 2nd July 2018 from Brokerage Free. Let's have a look at important points from the last week trading sessions. Markets ended on a bullish note. Foreign institutional investors sold shares worth about rupees 157 crores. Domestic investors bought shares worth about 2,262 crores. Markets are currently on a bullish trend, and for the bullish trend to continue, the markets need to close above 10,785 for confirmation. Please use trailing stop loss in your trades. Let's have a look at Nifty. Nifty opened at 10,612 and closed at 10,714. Nifty made an intraday high of 10,723 and a low of 10,612. The markets swung by about 111 points. The markets closed by about 125 points up from the previous day close of 10,589. Support levels at this point of time for Nifty is around 10,646 and 10,575. Resistance levels at this point of time for Nifty is around 10,751 and 10,790. For Bank Nifty, support levels at this point of time is around 26,285 and 26,202. Bank Nifty resistance levels are at around 26,452 and 26,544. Let's have a look at the long build-up. Long build-up happens when people initiate long positions. Whenever there are long positions initiated, the price increases and the open interest also increases. Since Friday, there was upswing of about 125 points. We have a lot of stocks in this list for a long build-up. Bharati Infratel tops the list with a change in open interest of 9.99%, almost 10%. And a percentage change in its price of about 0.87, which is 2.6 rupees. We have notable stocks included in this. GAIL has a change in open interest of 7.17%. Other notable stocks include GAIL, which has a percentage change of 7.17% and a percentage change in its price of about 6.48%, which is 20 rupees. If you come down, Adani Port appears in this list with a percentage change of about 3.14% in its price and 6.06% in its open interest. Cipla has a higher percentage change in its price, NTPC as well. And if you look at the Bajaj Auto, that also has changed about 3.47%. ICICI Bank has changed about 1.47%. If you see, you can see all the bank stocks in this list here. We have Kotak Mahindra Bank, ICICI Bank, and Yes Bank and Axis Bank. So all these stocks appear on this list as well. So since Friday, all the stocks went up. So that is the reason we see a lot of stocks here. These are the stocks which has had a long build-up happen, and if you're trading in these stocks, please take note that a lot of people have taken long positions in these stocks, and the stocks have actually gone up by a noticeable percent. If you see Hindalco here, it has gone up by about 4.2%. Tata Steel has gone up by about 3.52%. So, and GAIL has gone up by about 6.48%. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note that long build-up is happening in these stocks. Long unwinding is when people who have initiated long positions, they are closing their positions. So because of which there is a decrease in price and the open interest also decreases. So we have only two stocks in this list. Mahindra & Mahindra has a change in open interest of 1.52% and a percentage change of 1.11% in its price. And HDFC Bank also appears in this list with a change in open interest of 2.11 and a percentage change of 1.05% in its price, which is 22.4 rupees. Short build-up happens when people initiate short positions, and because people initiate short positions, the price decreases but the open interest increase. We have Hero MotoCorp, which has a change in open interest of about 15.76% and a change of 1.21% in its price, which is 42 rupees. We have a good number of stocks above 4% in this list: Tech Mahindra and IndusInd Bank, Reddy's Laboratories, Hindustan Petroleum. So all these stocks have a very good change in open interest where people have initiated short positions. Reddy's Laboratories also appears in this list with a percentage change of 2.64% in its price, which is about 60 rupees. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note that short buildup is happening in these stocks. Short covering happens when people who open short positions close their short positions. So there is an increase in price, but there is a decrease in open interest. So we have about 6 or 7 stocks in this list, and about 5 stocks above the 1% range. Larsen and Toubro with change in open interest of 2.92 and a percentage change of 3.25% in its price. Titan Company Limited has a change of 2.1% in open interest and 5.04% in its price change. So these are the stocks that appear in short covering list. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note of them. Let's have a look at world markets. The American markets ended on a positive note. Dow Jones up by about 0.23, S&P 500 up by about 0.08. Brazil is up by about 1.39%, Canada up by 0.67%, Chile up by 0.83%, Mexico up by 1.34%. The world markets also for Europe also ended on a positive note. England up by 0.28%, Europe up by 0.8%, and France up by 0.91%, Germany up by 1.06%, Switzerland up by about 1.74%. Let's have a look at the Asian markets. The Japanese markets are down by about 0.06%, Hong Kong up by about 1.61%. The Chinese markets were down by about 0.46%. Mumbai Sensex and NSE Nifty was up by about 1.1% and 1.18% respectively. At the time of preparing this report, Singapore Nifty was up by about 3 points, which is 0.03%. If this is to give any indication, markets should open at the same range or probably go up marginally higher, considering the uptrend that we saw on Friday. Thank you for watching this edition of Market Views Update from Brokerage Free. Invest wisely for a better future. Good luck with your trades. Thank you.